Hi, for me, winning means three things: learning, contributing, and celebrating.
Hi, this is Dhanya. And when you ask me a question, what winning means to me, it is about achieving the objective that I set for myself.
Winning is sense of achievement by completing all small tasks which lead us to achieve our goals.
Winning, according to me, is the biggest sense of exhilaration that a person can have. I've been in sports for most of my school life, and I can say that winning a match is the best feeling that one person could ever have. So, exhilaration is the first word that comes to mind when I talk about winning.
For me, winning means focusing on a goal and trying to achieve it.
Hi, winning is all about lots of hard work in a smart way for me.
Winning is an achievement according to me.
Winning is happiness for me.
Winning is something which gives me a sense of satisfaction.
Winning is something relating to self-confidence.
Winning to me is being so successful and helping others and making everyone happy.
Winning is a short-term goal for me, and after winning, it's gives me a lot of satisfaction.
There is a saying, एक ऐसी lines है जो मैंने खुद के लिए last 4 year back लिखी थी. They just motivate me when I just remember that words. जिंदगी की राह में जब मोड़ आ जाते हैं, जिंदगी की राह में जब मोड़ आ जाते हैं, गमों के बादल हर तरफ भौरों से मंडराते हैं. जब बारिश हो जाती है, आंसू बनकर बह जाते हैं. जब बारिश हो जाती है, आंसू बनकर बह जाते हैं, नए मार्ग की ओर अग्रसर तब हम अपने को पाते हैं.
Winning is being at the top with taking others along with you.
Winning means appreciation to me.
Hi, winning means faith in myself, success, satisfaction. I not only believe in hard work, but I believe in smart work. So according to me, winning comes only after an effort of smart work.
Winning for me, full satisfaction with my work. That's why I remember my song कि पापा कहते कि बड़ा नाम करेगा.
Hi, as they say, winning is not everything, winning is the only thing. However, according to me, winning is self-improvement. And that self-improvement for me comes through my experience. With every experience, there's a learning that I take in. So in a way, I see myself as a winner with every experience that I come across. Thank you.
Winning me achievement.
For me, winning is like improving myself while achieving something that I really aim for.
Winning means no issues in IT support in GTD.
Winning is our positive thinking. When you will think positive, then that's win.
जब ये फाइल खत्म होगी, that is winning for me. Winning means achieve my goals.
विनिंग म्हणजे दिलेलं काम वेळेत पूर्ण करणे हे माझ्यासाठी परिपूर्ण आहे.
जो भी मैं काम करता हूँ दिल से लगन से वही मेरी जीत है.
Winning is getting prospects to say yes after they have said no 20 times.
Winning is staying ahead of everyone and being on the top.
Winning to me is to overcome that I really want to achieve.
Winning is a thing which makes real difference in my professional life but not in my personal life.
Winning is not everything, but the effort to win is. Winning to me is the ultimate high.
Winning to me is hunger to excel.
For me, winning means completing target.
Winning means achieving every success of step of life.
Winning to me means self-satisfaction. If you're not self-satisfied, I don't think there's any meaning of anything.
Winning means deep contentment of the heart and soul. And by the end of it, if you've got all, that gives you a lot of satisfaction and contentment in terms of personal and professional. That's it.
Winning means doing what you do best for long period.
Winning means to pull off any kind of situation with the right kind of hard work and the right attitude. So keeping your spirits high is winning.
For me, winning is better than the best.
For me, winning means a sense of satisfaction and fulfillment.
Winning means succeeding with great difficulties.
Winning means prove myself.
Winning is like a passion which drives you throughout your life. A person with positive attitude is always a winner.
जीत का मतलब होता है कि काम करने से अगर जीत गया तो वो खुश होता है, ये होता है.
Success is not final and failure is not fatal. It is a courage that counts.
Yeah, hi. So winning according to me is self-belief and all about your positive attitude.
Winning, according to me, is about perseverance, passion, and habit.
Okay. Yeah, winning is not everything, it's the only thing.
Winning is a game of life.
Hi, for me, winning is a next step to again win a new game.
For me, winning means everything. It means reaching my goals within a given time frame with efficiency, and it also means that I meet the higher goal, which again leads to me doing well both professionally and personally. For me, winning is very important, and to me it's like it deflates my intention if the winning streak is not there. Yeah, basically that's all.
Winning to me means excellence. Excellence in everything I do.
Winning to me means simply achieving the goals that we've set out for ourselves. Winning to me means being on top of the table, and winning also means to me that we start preparing for the next race, the next year, and the times ahead when we continue to think about winning and winning and winning.
Winning is doing something that everyone is certain that it cannot be done.
Set focus on your goals, work with passion, and you'll always win.
So winning means just do it.
Winning means, for me, it's two words: habit and honor.
Winning is an attitude. Winning is about being optimist. It's about believing and taking that extra yard, completing the last lap, being persistent to a point where others give up. So yeah, winning is this too.
Winning for me is achievement, and that's why I believe in this song. नहीं समझे है तो हमें तो क्या जाता है
हारी बाजी